Sometimes the most important thing about starting a task is just diving in and giving it a try. Using your Ikon Toolbox app is easy and intuitive. To get started, you will first need to download the app from the App Store. Once it's downloaded, you'll need to open the app on your phone and log in using your work email and password. After you've logged in, you'll be prompted to select your store from the list. Once you're in, you'll see all the vehicles that are a part of your dealership's inventory. You can use the search bar to filter things like year, make, model, color, or stock number, which makes it easy to find the exact car your customer is looking for. When you tap on a vehicle, you'll see important details like where it's located on the lot, if it has a low battery, or if it's still waiting to be set up with an Ikon device. If the key for that vehicle has an Ikon key tag, the app will tell you if the key is in the building and what room or cabinet it's in. That saves you time from having to run around looking for it. You can also check out any vehicle and warranty info from your DMS system right in the Toolbox app, so you can answer customer questions on the spot, which helps with overall customer satisfaction. When you use the Toolbox app, you're able to walk with a customer to their dream car or get ready for a test drive and know exactly where to go and what to say with no guessing. By using these features, you move faster, stay confident, and deliver a smoother, more professional experience that keeps the deal on track and the customer impressed.